All week we've celebrated semantic search, finding things by meaning. So you'd think plain old keyword search, matching exact words, is ancient history. But here's the twist. The best systems in the world still use keyword search, on purpose, right alongside the fancy stuff. Today, let's understand both, because knowing when to use which is what separates an okay search from a great one. Welcome back to AI in 5. There are really two fundamentally different ways to search. Keyword search looks for the literal words you typed, matching text to text. Semantic search, powered by embeddings, looks for the meaning behind your words, matching idea to idea. One is about the letters on the page. The other is about the concept in your head. Both are useful, and they're good at genuinely different things. Here they are side by side. Keyword search is literal, fast, and totally predictable. If the word is there, it finds it, but it's blind to synonyms and rephrasing. Semantic search is flexible and human. It understands intent and synonyms, but it can sometimes drift, returning things that feel related in meaning yet aren't quite what you wanted. Each one's biggest strength is also the other's biggest weakness. Semantic search wins when wording is loose and human. When users ask in their own words, when synonyms abound, when the document says terminate your subscription, but the user typed how do I cancel my plan? There, meaning matching is magic. It bridges the gap between how people ask and how documents are written. For natural language questions, semantic is usually the better first instinct. The textbook example. Search car, and semantic search will happily surface a page that only ever says automobile or vehicle because it knows they mean the same thing. Keyword search would completely miss that page, since the exact letters C, A or never appear. For everyday concepts with many names, this is exactly why we reach for embeddings in the first place. Meaning beats spelling. But now the comeback. Sometimes you need the exact thing, not the similar thing. Searching for a product code like XT-4901, an error message, a person's exact name, or an order ID. These have little semantic meaning, and being one character off is totally wrong. Here keyword search is king, because you want a precise, literal match, and close enough would actually be a failure. So neither is a universal winner. Keyword is blind to meaning. It can't connect, cancel, and terminate. Semantic is fuzzy on exact strings. It might think two different part numbers are basically the same because they look similar. Lean only on semantic and you'll fumble precise lookups. Lean only on keyword and you'll miss anything phrased differently. Each has a real, predictable blind spot, which leads to the obvious, slightly cheeky answer the best teams landed on. Why choose? Run both and blend the results. Use keyword search to nail exact terms, codes, and names, and semantic search to catch meaning, synonyms, and intent. Together they cover each other's blind spots beautifully. That combination has a name, and it's where modern search is heading. So keyword search isn't dead at all. It's a specialist, brilliant at exact matches, while semantic search owns meaning and intent. Knowing which to trust for which job is a real skill. Tomorrow, we combine them into the approach that production systems actually use, hybrid search, getting precision and meaning at the same time. See you tomorrow on AI in 5.